Steady. Police hostility, brutality, violence from police. Heavy deployment in Kasese. The people are happy, so glad to see the president. All Kasese residents. There was a massacre in Kasese. Don't forget that. Yes. We have guns, we have nothing. Tear gas already. Clear the tear gas. This is Kasese. The people of Kasese were massacred by Seven's people, by the militia here. So NRM is so unpopular when it comes to this region. Yeah, man. We are making entry in Kasese. There is overwhelming love for the president, His Excellency Honorable Chagulani Sentamu Robert, aka Bobi Wine. Oh yeah. We hope and pray they don't tear gas today. Bobi, Do you know where you're going to? Do you know the thing they're gonna do to you? Do you know where you're going to? The people are standing out in the rain just to wave to the president. All the residents of Kasese, see the little ones. The love everywhere is overwhelming. Yes, little did they know that this would become a big issue. The cornerstone. They dismissed him as an artist. And now, the one they dismissed, Afuse Nsonga. Don't forget, the people of Kasese were massacred by Museveni militia. They tortured the women, undressed the women, and the men. Many were shot dead.